Thursday, July the 31st, 2025. I don't know what, 11:30, 80 something degrees. And we just took this 98 for a test drive. We finally got everything squared away on it. Not everything, but enough to get it on the road and test it out anyway. And this thing ran perfect. Had to go get gas. It still had some of the old gas in it, which it still does, but I put 8 gallons in it, which will have it diluted down enough to where it ought to be okay. And if I'd gotten to this point before looking at that one over there, I wouldn't even have been looking at it. If this one continues, we may see if we can sell that one and not be in debt. But we'll see. We're gonna run around the block one more time. We got some gas. Let y'all check it out too. I'm gonna get a steam cleaner and clean these seats. We've got 3 rows of seats that go, or 4 total, go in here. If I sell it, oh, I got my fan going over there. I was wondering what's that noise. If I sell it, we'll get all that cleaned up. I still need to fix the air conditioner, but this has got the dual heat and air. It's a nice passenger van. It rides really good. Looks like it's got 3 units. It's got one, you know, there on the dash, one up there, and one here. I don't know. But anyway, run around the block again right quick. Let y'all see how it rides. Transmission, power steering, everything. Even with 2 different types of tires with 2 different thread wear. It was riding good. Seemed like it may have pulled to the right a little bit, but that's right. That's very understandable. We'll be driving the new one today, test driving it more. There's a horsefly over there. Get out of here, devil. Yeah, mechanically, there's, well, only thing it needs mechanically that I know of would be the air conditioning fixed. But if I was going to put it on the road, it would certainly be prudent to go ahead and change the water pump, tensioner, belt tensioner, and the pulley. I've already changed the alternator. Now I'm going to flush this system, the cooling system. I've got to flush. So we will be doing that. And it'd be time to change the water pump would be when we flush it. Yeah, but we've got 4 12 to 16-year-old tires on here with varying tire wear. And those deer up there. There've been some pretty good sized bucks hanging out here the last few days. They have been eating, all these deer have been eating up Frank's ligustrums here. I mean, they just love them evidently. Must be some minerals in there or something that they like. You know, I said we'll be getting out in the 2019 today too, doing a drive around in it. We'll be posting it. We'll be posting this one. Like I say, I think it's ready to go now. But since that bottom lower ball joint got replaced, it blew out. Transmission, everything is acting perfect. And we've only put about 5 miles on it as far as actual road miles or driving test. used tires. I've got 2 good used tires, 2 more used tires that aren't but a couple of years old, and then air conditioning. And like I said, if we change the water pump, tensioner, and pulley, do this coolant flush, get that air conditioning fixed. I said, I think probably $1,000 now. And this one, unless something else rears its ugly head, this will be roadworthy. I still need, I've got some rust reformer I'm going to spray on these rusty spots. I'm going to scrape off the loose paint. I may check with Mako or somewhere just to see what they would charge me to shoot a coat of white on this thing. And then if we do keep that 2019, I'm going to list this one for sale for about $8,500. 185,000 miles, half the mileage that my 2000 has. Look, there's a Chevrolet van right there. You reckon he wants to sell that? I only have 3 white Chevrolet vans, 3 Jeeps. I'm not scared to buy something. I'm not scared to sell something either. If y'all want something, I really need to sell that 98 and that 95 ZJ. The 98 is an original 5.9 limited with not that much work. It could go back on the road. Got a good engine, transmission, got some electrical problems. The 95 needs tires and maybe an air conditioning charge. I'll give you $1,000 for that van. What do you say? I think he said no. There we are. Go ahead and start uploading this one. Edit it, download it, edit it, and upload it. Then we're going to get it in the 2019 and drive it for a bit. Frank's got somebody coming over to buy that boat. I probably need to get those 2 other rows of seats that are up under that shed, get them out of the way so he can load the motors. He's got those catamaran, double hull catamaran. Somebody's coming to get it. Should be around lunchtime, he said. And you're going to get those 2 motors up there too, 2 70 horsepower motors. That thing, to get that thing back on, that thing ought to fly. Pressure, temperature, amperage, everything's looking great on this thing. There, that wasn't snapped in just right. Now it is. I've got to check all the lights, bulbs, brake lights, all that kind of stuff in this one. this one originally as a parts van from a 2000, but this being the extended passenger van in a 3500. Same motor, transmission. Okay, do we pull this back in? I guess we can. Empty this, take this spare tire out. We put a spare tire in just in case we had a flat and had to change one of them. Let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap. You know, somebody's supposed to be coming and get this catamaran about 12 o'clock. I don't know what time it is now. Getting close to 12 o'clock, I guess. Okay, let's turn this off. This will be a wrap.